What's up guys, welcome back to Elisha Bernice TV. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I post your videos. And today I will show you that it is raining in Dubai. There's a lot of raindrops and I really like the scenery and that it's helping the plants grow. Plus in the road you can see there's a lot of puddles because of the rain. I really haven't seen Dubai like rain much, so this is a very nice experience. Plus I really like all of the plants, they're getting watered, and plus when you go outside it's so fun to go and jump in the puddles. I really like that. So outside our area, you can see that the rain is very nice and all the clouds are gathered together because probably after all the clouds gather, then it starts to form raindrops. And this is super cool because Dubai, it's not that much rainy here, so it's very nice to see a lot of the rain. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!